Hello everybody, today I'm going to show you how to make this juicy and delicious pork rib barbecue using Ninja Foodi Pro. Here are the ingredients. I have mushroom seasoning, golden mountain seasoning sauce, white pepper, black pepper, fish sauce, oyster sauce, black peppercorn, garlic and cilantro stem, pork rib, and then I also use the Goya seasoning sauce. This will help with the color and the season as well. So I will add in the garlic, peppercorn and cilantro stem into the mortar and then pound them together. I also use 1 stalk of lemongrass, which is slice them into small pieces, then put it into the mortar, then pound them with the other ingredient. Continue to pound them until they are very well incorporated and form into a paste just like so. Now it's the time to marinate our pork rib. I wash and rinse the pork rib and cut them into 4 smaller pieces. So add in the paste, 1 teaspoon mushroom seasoning, 1 teaspoon golden mountain seasoning sauce, about half teaspoon of white pepper, 1 tablespoon oyster sauce, 1 teaspoon fish sauce. Then we'll mix or marinate the season and the meat together until they are very well incorporated. I will sprinkle on each side with a little bit of salt. Don't use too much salt because we already used a lot of season already. I will cover and put it in the fridge for about 30 minutes. Then take it out. I forgot to use this Goya seasoning sauce earlier, so before I cook them, I add about 1 package of the Goya seasoning sauce to mix with the meat, and then this sauce will enhance flavor and the color as well. So in the Ninja Foodi Pro, I will add a little bit of water in there to make sure it doesn't burn. Then add in the pork rib in there. And then I will use every paste that left in the bowl in there as well. So I will turn it on and I will use the pressure cooker lid that have a vent and seal, so we have to seal it in order to cook it. Cover the lid, lock it, and then we'll turn on the pressure cooker into high, and then we'll set the timer in 20 minutes. This Ninja Foodi is so much easier and a lifesaver. So if you don't have it, go ahead and invest one in your household. I guarantee you it will worth every penny you have spent. So after 20 minutes it has passed, so the pressure cooker is done and I will release the air in there, and then it will take about 2-3 minutes. After that, I can open the lid and look at that. The meat is cooked, but we're not done yet, okay? So right now we're gonna do the broil. So I will turn on the broil button and set that to high. It asks to cover the lid before I can do any further. So it's 450, that is the highest temperature for this, so I will set that into 10 minutes. So we'll let that broil and then we'll come back after the 10 minutes. Now my timer has coming down to the last 30 seconds, so look at that. Wow, look at how crispy that is. But I'm not done just yet. I will turn the other side up and then let it cook or broil for another 5 to 7 minutes or so, because I like it to be more crispy. cover it up and then set the timer to about 5 to 7 minutes. Alright, so after the timer is done, we'll turn it off and open the lid. Surprise! Look at that. Oh my goodness, so beautifully done. So it's golden brown, crispy, juicy looking. So let's take it out from the pot and then put it into the plate. If you find any value or enjoy my video, please give this video a thumbs up. This would make a big difference in my channel, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you won't miss any of my upcoming video. Thank you so much for your support. I love you all. I will cut all the rib into individual ones so it will be easier to consume it. Right, I will continue to cut all of my pork rib, and I will be right back to show you the final result. Just in case if you don't have this Ninja Foodi Pro, you can always bake this in the oven and cover the foil and bake it for 30 minutes. Take the foil out and then broil for about 10 to 15 minutes, then you're all set. Look at how juicy that is. It's very crispy outside and tender inside. Here is the final result of my juicy pork rib cooked in the Ninja Foodi Pro pressure cooker tender crisp. So look at that. Oh my gosh, I can't believe that it would turn out this amazing. And my daughter has some and she just loved it. Do you like it? Is it good? So good, right? Of the pork rib. What do you say?
Yummy.
Yummy? Okay. Alright. Enjoy, everybody. Say bye. See you.